oil field. Windy day. Windy day. Safety's first. Exhaust away from my working area. What we're doing now is we're at a location. Let's call it disposal. And now that vent is suctioning air into the tank. And the reason it's doing that is so that the PTO can actually have enough pressure to unload into the disposal. It's a very important note to understand the wind and the direction, because that's your friend. That's going to save your life. Locations usually have two muster points, which are mustard, M-U-S-T-A-R-D, mustard points. These locations are very important and crucial to run to in case of an H2S leak. Now, remember I said, you can see the direction of it. And that's why our exhaust is in that direction. I love windy days because they can actually save your life. I think this is a 40 mile per hour wind. You having fun yet? Part of being a vacuum truck driver is understanding that the wind is your friend. In any situation, it's always good to have the direction of the wind and knowing where the wind is going. Believe it or not, having a compass is very important too. A compass is actually needed at every location for you to understand where your entrance is and your muster points are. H2S awareness will take you to muster points. Every location will have two of them. Remember, H2S and the H2S monitor is your friend. This isn't a hype channel. It isn't a channel that's going to bullshit you into making you run into a career that may not be what you want. Again, it takes a lot of passion. It takes a lot of ethics, a lot of values, a lot of core strength to get the job done, day in and day out. Random hours, random days. Anyhow, God bless you, God bless America, God bless all the hardworking people of the United States of America, and all the patriots that have made this country strong. God bless.